show you guys what I did. A microphone, this one. All right, so we're gonna go for a cruise in a Supercharged S2000 because I'm probably gonna be selling it soon. And I wanna get some mic'd up sound clips. It's something I've always done in the past. So I'll show you guys what I did. I'll probably make a video showing exactly what I'm using because people always ask me. So in here, I have a microphone inside of a foam padding, inside of another foam padding. That's gonna help with all the wind noise. I taped it, and then the wire is taped in multiple areas all the way across. And then again, secured there so it can't dangle anywhere. I have all the units and audio equipment in there. Then I have a second one coming here into the trunk and out. This one, I just used the furry windscreen that came with it. I didn't do anything else fancy. I'm hoping where it's positioned, the wind is gonna hopefully not get that. I'm gonna have a GoPro right here, which when the door's closed, should kind of give us an angle like this, where you can probably see the dash, the shifting, and then obviously the trunk. I'm not the trunk, that will be closed so you can see the road. So that's gonna be the setup. I'm gonna miss this thing. It sounds freaking amazing. I have other videos talking about the exhaust setup. I'll link in the corner, but it's a fully custom exhaust using Vibrant components. And I think I achieved my goal of getting it to sound not raspy, a nice deep tone, not too loud. And then we have, if you look down there, let me get it to focus, the tile, however you want to pronounce it, Q blow-off valve, atmospheric, which is actually pretty loud. So I'm hoping this little guy right there will not get too much wind. We have it next to the intake for induction sounds. The supercharger obviously is gonna have its whining sound. The blow-off valve is gonna make its tone. And then we're gonna have the exhaust in the back. And these audio files are gonna be separate. Like I said, I'm gonna have another video about how I do everything. And then in post-production, which is probably what you're gonna watch right now, I'll be able to separate the exhaust and the engine or combine them. But there's a lot of tweaking and fine tuning in the car while I'm listening to it. So hopefully it comes out good. And if it does, well, then I'm assuming you're watching this. So subscribe for more content on lots of other cars. Thanks for the support.